Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly verify your Parkour Party blueprint in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia added a new multiple players gameplay that called Parkour Party. And in this mode, you can build your own parkour map using a special gameplay blueprint. And don't worry, this blueprint is completely different from your house blueprint, so it will not affect or disrupt your home at all. But before your blueprint can be used in a real party, you need to verify it first. And the fastest way to verify is actually super easy. First, just tap on your smartwatch, and then next just tap on blueprint, and then go to the gameplay blueprint like this. And then after that, just choose the blueprint that you want to verify like this. And then in here, just simply tap on verifications, and then just tap on start verifications like this. And then to verify your gameplay blueprint, your obstacle like this, you just need to start from the start point, then run directly to the finish point without following the obstacles or parkour path. You can just literally go around the obstacles and head straight to the finish to complete the verifications much faster, just like that. Like this, you can see it. Once you reach the finish point, your blueprint will be verified and it's ready to use for your parkour party. And then next, just go back. And just like that, you can see it. It's already verified like this. And it's done. Now you can host your own parkour gameplay with friends in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.